universe. Support the companies that support me. That's not my phone. What's happening, family? Welcome back to my Black Universe. We have another unboxing from channel sponsor Urbane. The company decided to send us a few items on a whim. I got a notification through my shop app, and I was like, "Whoa, what's this?" So I'm super excited because I've had this product for a week since I've done the actual unboxing. Actually, a little bit over a week during these very, very cold days. So as you can see, we got two small containers. These are body butters by Urbane. You have the holiday blend and the buttery blend. And that right there, that spoon is actually a bamboo spoon, which keeps in theme with the whole panda motif that's going on with Urbane. As you can see, the panda logos on the lids of these products. So that's super dope to see that attention to detail. The logo's also on the side, the Urbane logos on the side. Make sure you hit the pause button if you want to see the ingredient list. I'm not going to read all that off. There's just a lot going on. But there go the instructions as well, so if you want to pause the video, you're more than welcome to. I shot all this in 4K, so you can see this in the most crisp of definitions. You know what I'm saying? That ultra high definition, I mean. So, same thing with the buttery blend. You can pause the video just to see the ingredient list and see what's different about it. And, yeah. So, that's that on that part. Now, here's the interesting thing. I didn't realize until I tried to put my finger in there that there was a clear seal, all right, which is super dope. That little clear seal, that keeps the contents from melting out and leaking everywhere when it's being shipped to you. So that's actually super dope. That little attention to details that you see like that, that's what I'm talking about. Those are the things I like to see. As you can see, it's melting in my hands like a typical body butter. It's going to melt fast. It reacts to body heat. And that's what you want. You want good quality body butter. Even though the consistency looks a little weird, that's because of the weather conditions. It affected that particular jar as opposed to the other one. I did leave this in my car when I shouldn't have. So, but you know, it's still good. It's still working the way it's supposed to. It just kind of melted down a little bit and then kind of congealed a little bit because of the change in the temperatures, because I was actually in Oklahoma for the weekend and then I came back to Texas and then it got real cold. So it's a lot of stuff going on, but as you can see, the holiday blend was not affected. And I do have a special guest in this video. Now, I did not want to do this video if we weren't going to be moisturized our daggone selves. So, you know, me and my special guest, we had to get moisturized. You can see we got moisturized real quick, and then I had to get moisturized as well. So we can go ahead and bring you that heat. Now, I mean, well, the heat or the moisture. We had to bring you that moisture. So check us out. What's happening, family? Welcome back to my Black Universe. As you see from the unboxing, we have two different body butters. But before we jump into that, make sure you hit a like, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and share this video. Also, head over to my community tab, vote on your experience with Black-owned companies and the shipping issues. And once you do that, come back to this video so we can give you the real. Now, you saw me, you put this product on, you saw my mom put this product on. You can see now that it's kind of settled in. It doesn't look as shiny or as greasy as it looked initially. I like this product as far as a butter, as an alternative to lotion. And of course, I got my beautiful mother with me. You saw on the Urban Air Gypsy video, she's here with me again to talk about Urbane's body butter. She got the holiday blend, and I got the butter blend. So what are your thoughts on the holiday blend?
The holiday blend, I love it. Smells fantastic.
It does.
I love it because it's rich and emollient. And when you put it on your skin, get that nice glow. And I just got out the shower about 15 minutes ago. And this is what you see.
Shine like new money, huh?
Glowing skin.
Like Super Saiyan.
Glowing skin.
Like Super Saiyan.
I don't know about the Super Saiyan. But glowing skin and smooth and soft. And it really, really smells good. I use this on my skin. And every once in a while when I want that little extra something, I do use it in my hair. So, yes, I use it in my hair.
Oh, word, okay.
So, but I really love this product.
And I want you guys to see it. Boom. She don't use as much, I do.
Don't have to use that much. That's what I love about it too. Don't have to use it much.
Now, if you look at mine, I use a lot more, but I am type 2 diabetic. So those who are diabetics, you know the importance of moisturizing your feet and your lower extremities, your feet, ankles, legs. You got to keep them moisturized. I use plenty. All right, like she said, a little bit goes a long way, but I do wash my hands more often. I am in the medical field, so I'm constantly using this several times a day. But I like the buttery blend over the holiday blend. The reason why is because I wear cologne. This will more than likely clash unless you have a cinnamon or nutmeg, cologne, one of those spicy, a spice-based cologne. That's for the wintertime. I wouldn't use that personally. I would go with the buttery blend. It has just a natural scent because of the contents that's used. That's what I'm going to use. That's what I'm going to continue to use because I like the fact that I can put this on. It doesn't clash with my cologne. It doesn't clash with my beard oil or my, the stuff I use in my beard. So that works for me. I think you said you also like the natural scent that comes along with this as well.
Yes, the natural scent is wonderful. Like he said, you can use it. Use your favorite perfume. I like it. Once in a while, I snuck in heels. I had to admit it. And I put it in my hair. Nice and soft.
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do?
I'm happy to say that I'm over 50. Wintertime, my skin gets really, really dry. This.
That's not me.
Love this. So, I highly recommend it, especially if you are a shea butter type person that likes natural ingredients, as I do. So I really love this.
Now, it does say you can use it on your face, but it does give instructions on how to put it on your face. Put it, little dots here, and then rub it in. Don't just go ham and just like you do with lotion, which I understand because of the natural oils that are in here. I wouldn't do that either. So I think this is a dope product. There's the holiday blend, there's the buttery blend, and I got good word that might be a spring summer blend coming up. Now, I don't know for sure, but I think there might be, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to pick up some of the body butter here from Urbane Company, hit the link below. Make sure you use the discount code that's in the description, BLKUNI20, to get 20% off your next 2 orders. Support the companies that support me. That's on my phone. What I'm gonna do though, besides get beat up, that's all I can do is, I'm not a snitch.
Neither am I.
So hit the link in the description below. Use the discount code. Save 20% off your next 2 orders. And until next time, it's your boy, the bearded brother, my beautiful mother. Peace and blessings. Ashe.
Peace and blessings.
Now, I get that.
You can go back and edit a whole lot. Do I need to roll the sleeves up or whatever?
I need you to scoot over a little bit to your right.
I need to sit back a little bit more. Angle is everything.
Yes. Trying to make sure we can get a little up. Scoot up to your right a little bit more.
You don't want too much door, you don't want too much stairs.
Not on the stairs at all.
Oh, okay.
Not on the stairs at all.
Now you noticed a couple in the video, huh? Butter. but couldn't get the butter.